Good morning and assalamu alaikum. I'm Ansari Yasmin, and today I have come up with a biology chapter, Standard 7th, subject science, and we are going to see the useful and harmful microbes. Out of which today we are going to cover only useful microbes, and that too not all the uses of microbes. Some of the useful microbes we will discuss here today in this video, and remaining one we will cover up in the next video. So let's start. We all know that microbes are of two types, useful and harmful microbes. Some microbes are beneficial for us. They help us in our day-to-day work or in our day-to-day activity. We will discuss some of those microbes. First, I would like to tell you about the lactobacillus bacteria. This is the microbes which converts milk into curd. That is it, they help in setting of curd. Let's see what exactly happens. What does this lactobacillus bacteria do? Lactobacillus bacterium, they converts lactose of the milk. Milk contains lactose, so this lactobacillus bacteria converts lactose of milk to lactic acid, and this is the reason why the milk gets converted into curd. So here you can see on the left hand side, uh, these are lactobacillus bacteria, and these bacteria present into milk, they convert lactose of the milk into lactic acid, and because of which curd tastes sour, because they converted into lactic acid. So acid, we all know that it is sour in taste, that is why curd tastes sour. Okay, let's see how does exactly this curd forms, or what is the procedure of setting of curd. What we need to do to make curd, we need to heat the milk up to 37 degrees Celsius, and then we have to introduce the lactobacillus bacteria into milk. When they mixes into the milk, they starts multiplying. There is a sugar present in the milk which is lactose, and with the help of this sugar they start multiplying and convert this lactose into lactic acid. So this conversion of lactose into lactic acid is only the procedure of curdling of milk. So this is how, when you introduces the lactobacillus bacteria into milk, because of the multiplication, the lactose in the milk gets converted into lactic acid and you get a curd. Okay, actually this lactobacillus bacteria curdles the milk by acting on the milk protein. There is a casein protein present in the milk. These lactobacillus bacteria act on them and the curdling process takes place. Second, the very important use of microbes, how these microbes are useful, that is they are used in tanning of leather. If you will see here the picture, these bacteria, some of the bacteria help in tanning of the skin of animals, so that we will get a pure leather. Here you can see how bacteria help in tanning the skin of animals, and a soft leather we obtain after a particular process. What exactly happens, see how these fibers are forming. Fibers of jute, flax, they are obtained by submerging their stems in water. Here in the next picture you can see the fibers of jute and flax, they are submerged into uh, their stems are submerged in water, and then we get a fiber. What exactly happens? Bacteria grows in water, and this sets the fiber free from the stem tissue. The next very important use of microbes are they are used in formation of compost, manure and gobar gas. Here you can see in this picture, or whatever organic waste mixes into the soil, microorganisms or microbes act on those organic waste, and in this process, here you can see CH4, CH4, CH4. When these microbes act on organic waste, a gas is released, and that gas is nothing but a methane gas. This methane gas is used as a fuel in our houses and in industries also. So this methane gas is used as a fuel, and to get this fuel, microorganisms help us. uh, uh, you can see the collected fuel can be used, the collected gas can be used as a fuel at home. What happened exactly? When the organic waste, they are taken into a certain plant which is called a biogas plant, and the microorganisms are introduced in those organic waste. They start acting on those organic waste, and in that process a gas is released. That gas is methane gas, which is used as a fuel, and the remaining solid product after decomposition of the organic waste, the solid products left behind, that can be used as a manure which is made from organic waste. It helps in the growth of plant without harming soil, without decreasing the pH level. Like if we use chemical fertilizers for growth of for fast growth of plants, they affect the fertility of the soil. But if we will use manure which is made from organic waste, it will increase the fertility of the soil, as well as it will not harm the environment, it will not harm the soil, and it is made from waste product also. So the solid part left behind after the decomposition of organic waste, that is used as a manure. Here you can see on the screen, this is the picture of biogas plant, which is also called gobar gas plant. uh, it is designed on the same principle, so that we can get methane gas also, which can be used as a fuel, and the solid product which will remain behind, that could be used as a manure. So in this gobar gas plant, all the organic waste are taken into the tank, and then microorganisms are introduced. When those microorganisms act on organic waste, you can see there are two different outlet. So the gas which will be releasing after the decomposition, that would be collected, and the remaining solid waste material will left behind into the container itself, which can be used as a manure, which will increase the fertility rate of the soil, and without harming environment. So these are some uh, uh, positive side of the microbes, where they are helping us, they are useful for us. There are more uses of these microbes. Those uses we will discuss in the next video, and then we will see what are the second side of these microorganisms, that is harmful effects of microorganisms. Thank you.